Are you taking the IB Diploma Computer Science exam in 2027? All students, both SL and HL, will have several questions on Paper 1 about the new case study, Generative AI for Image Creation. Let's learn how to tackle that case study and ace Paper 1. First, you have to read the case study. If your teacher hasn't given you a copy of it yet, you can download it from my resource page. Links are down below. Second, you need to learn the additional terminology. There's a list of vocabulary words on the last page of the case study, and you need to be able to define them and explain what they are and how they work. Again, resources are in the links down below. Third, there are 4 challenges faced by the creative design company in this scenario. 2 of those are for both SL and HL students, and the other 2 are only for HL students. You need to read through each one of those challenges, research them, and explain how each one could be solved. Once you've done that, you should have a good understanding of all the concepts involved in using generative AI systems to create images. Now all you have to do is study and prepare for the exams. The best resource for that is my course, Conquer the IB Diploma Computer Science Exam and IA. I created this course to help prepare you for both the IA and the exams, including practice questions for both papers. And I have practice questions for the 2027 case study. Links are down below. Good luck on your exams.